Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today in this video I am going to show you how to use Eclipse IDE for C or C++ programming. So in my previous videos I have showed you how to install Eclipse IDE. So there I have showed you how to set up Eclipse IDE for Java programming. But some of my students are also telling like how to use Eclipse IDE for C or C++ programming. So that's why I'm making this video, alright. So currently if you see that our Eclipse IDE is properly, we have set it up for Java programming, but for C or C++, so if you go to file, if you hover over new and if you click on project over here, you can see we have Java, Maven, Gradle, General and all that, but we don't have C or C++ over here. So how to set that up? Alright, so for that first, simply click on cancel and you need to go to help over here. And then you have to click on this install new software. Alright, so that will open this available software window. So here what you need to do is you need to select this drop down and you need to select this all available sites. So once you do that, you're going to see this, it is fetching all the children's. So you need to have active internet connection, so it's going to fetch all the available softwares from all available sites for our Eclipse. So give some time, you need to have active internet connection as well, and by the time it fetch all the files, let's also download our MinGW compiler. So for that you need to go to our browser, you need to just open a new tab and you need to just simply type over here MinGW-w64 download, hit enter. You'll be able to see this MinGW-w64 link. So just simply open that link. You will be redirected to the official site of SourceForge.net. So this link I'm going to put right in our description. So after you land over to this official site of SourceForge.net, you need to click on file over here. Remember, do not click on download, alright? So we want to download the latest version. So for that you need to click on file. So when you click on file, you'll be redirected to this page. So just simply scroll down and here you can see under MinGW-w64 GCC version 8.1.2 is rightly available, right? So here you need to click on the second one. So just simply click on that and it's going to start downloading our MinGW compiler over here. You'll be able to see it is rightly started downloading. So here you can see it is rightly started downloading. So I have already downloaded it, so I'll cancel this. I'll minimize my browser and I'll go to my download directory. And here you can see that our latest version of MinGW version 8.1.2 is rightly downloaded over here. So let's extract it. Just simply right click, click on extract all and click on extract. So it's going to start extracting our MinGW compiler. So by the time our MinGW gets extracted, let's jump over to our Eclipse IDE. So here you can see it has fetched all the files from all available sites. Alright. So here you need to scroll down and you'll be seeing this programming languages, right? So just simply click on this expand icon. Now you can see we have all these languages. So Java, C++, PHP and all that, right? So from here in this video, as I have told you, we are going to use our C or C++ for Eclipse. So you need to select this C++ development tools and you need to also select the C or C++ development tools SDK. SDK basically means software development kit. So for C and C++ we need the software development kit and our development tool. So just simply select these two and click on next over here. And you can see it is rightly started installing these two dependencies. So it's going to redirect to this install details page. So these two files is what we need to install. Just simply click on next and this is our license agreement. You need to accept this license agreement, click on finish and you can see it is started installing our software, right? You can always click on this icon to see the progress view. So you can see it is installing. So you need to have active internet connection as well, as it is fetching all the files from internet and installing it locally on your system. So you need to have active internet connection right throughout this installation. So let this happen. So by the time this happen, we are going to jump over to our download directory. So here you can see it is still extracting. So once we properly extract this, I am going to again back to this video. So we'll come back, and now you can clearly see that our MinGW-w64 is rightly extracted over here. So let's close our this directory. So this is our extracted folder. So if you go inside that folder, you can see MinGW-64 folder is rightly extracted. So what you need to do is you need to right click and you need to cut this folder, and then you need to go to your C drive, and then you need to right click and paste that folder over here. So after extracting our MinGW folder, you need to copy this folder and paste that in our C drive, and then you need to go inside that folder, and you need to go inside this bin folder, and then you need to click on this path, and then you need to right click and you need to copy this path, right? So after that, you need to go to this search icon and you type over here environ, and you will get the edit the system environment variables over here. So just simply open that, and you will get system properties window. So you need to click on environment variable over here. You need to then click on path, and then you need to click on edit, and then you need to click on new, and then you need to click on right click and paste that path over here, that MinGW path. Now click on OK, then again OK, and then again OK. Alright, so after doing all this, you can minimize all these folders. So now if you are back to Eclipse, it will tell you that whether you like to restart now. So yes, I want to restart my Eclipse. So our Eclipse started restarting, and you can see that our Eclipse are rightly launched. So you can close the welcome note. So now if you go to file and hover over new and click on this project, you can see we have C or C++ option rightly over here, right? So you need to expand this, and here I am going to select a C++ project. So just simply click on next. So here, as I have showed you to install the MinGW compiler, so it is properly showing under tool chains now. So you need to select Hello World C++ project, and you need to give a project name. So I'm going to give the project name as Hello World, and I'm going to just simply click on finish over here. And here you can just simply click on open perspective, and you can see that our sample code of hello world.cpp is also opened over here. Alright, and it is first it was showing errors because it was indexing. Once our indexing get complete, you can see now it is no errors, right? So after doing this, what you need to do is you need to click on this hammer icon. So when you click on that hammer icon, it's going to start building our project. You can see it is 0 errors, 0 warning. So if you expand our project, you can see we have a debug folder. So that debug folder will only get generated when you basically click on this hammer icon to debug, right? Once it is successfully get builded, you need to click on this project folder. That's a very important step. You need to click on this project folder, and then you need to click on this drop down and to click on this run as this local/C or C++. So after that, you will be able to see the output properly coming, right? Hello world. So in this way, use our Eclipse IDE for C or C++ programming. I have also started Geeky Syntax channel, so if you're interested, you can always subscribe this channel, as here I am regularly posting coding related videos. So please do subscribe Geeky Syntax channel as well. That will really motivate me to make more such videos. And also I have started Geeky Script vlogging channel, so if you're interested, you can also subscribe this channel. And don't forget to subscribe my Geeky Script channel as well, so that again motivate me to make more videos. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.